Hey there, amazing folks. Welcome back to another inspirational video right here on our channel. Every week, we bring you content that's designed to make your life better, and today, we've got something special in store for you. We're diving deep into 15 skills that will pay off forever. We've included a bonus skill at the end that you probably won't believe in, but famous faces swear by it. So, if you're ready to level up your game and enhance the quality of your existence, stick around because this one's for you. 1. Learning how to learn. Let's kick things off with the holy grail of skills, learning how to learn. It's like unlocking the secret to leveling up in the game of life. Knowing how to acquire new skills efficiently is the key to continuous self-improvement. The first step is understanding that any skill can be learned with the right approach. Once you understand that any skill can be learned by following a set of steps, the world becomes like a video game. So, allocate your time and resources wisely and start upgrading your software. 2. Adaptability and overcoming obstacles. Bear Grylls might say it best: adapt, improvise, and overcome. Life's not always fair, and challenges are inevitable. But it's your dedication to keep moving forward that will ultimately lead you to success. Be prepared to change your game plan, seek alternative routes, and get creative when life throws curveballs. When things get tough, it means you're leveling up in the game of life. So change your attitude, seek alternative routes, get creative, and overcome whatever life throws at you. That's how you win. 3. Méditation. Your mind is your most powerful asset, and meditation is your tool to harness its potential. This skill isn't just for monks, it's for anyone who wants to see life more clearly, make better decisions, and expand their potential. It's like a mental gym for your brain. Over 80% of successful people have a daily meditation practice because they understand its value, and it's a premium skill to have in your arsenal. When you're in control of your mind, you see life more clearly, make better decisions, and your potential expands. 4. Verbalizing your thoughts. Ever met someone who can't express their thoughts and feelings effectively? It can be a real relationship killer. It's surprising how few people can effectively communicate their beliefs and emotions. Learn to articulate your ideas, emotions, and beliefs clearly. This skill will help you avoid misunderstandings and lead a more honest, fulfilling life. This skill is crucial for healthy relationships, whether it's with your partner, friends, co-workers, or family. Don't settle for mediocrity when it comes to expressing yourself. 5. Selling and negotiation. Selling isn't just about products, it's about persuading, convincing, and negotiating effectively. Whether you're trying to convince someone to join you on a project, land a job, or even convince yourself that you can do better, selling is a rational process that adds value to both parties. It's not about lying or being manipulative. It's about presenting your solution in a way that satisfies everyone involved. If you want to go deeper into this skill, we recommend Daniel Pink's book, To Sell is Human. 6. Listening and learning. Sometimes the best way to grow is by shutting up and listening. Most people love to talk, but few are willing to listen and learn from others. Actively listening and creating a mental blueprint of the information is crucial for personal growth. Always assume that the person you're talking to knows something you don't. It's more important to grow than to give the impression that you already know everything. 7. Self-motivation. There will be days when you don't feel like getting out of bed or going back to the grind. On those days, self-motivation is your secret weapon. Your ability to push through, even when you don't feel like it, sets you apart. It's called willpower, and it's directly tied to your confidence, your outlook, your goals, and your environment. It's about convincing your body and mind to align with your goals. Self-motivation is directly correlated to your level of confidence, positive outlook, and the environment you create for yourself. 8. Discipline. Success isn't about one giant leap. It's about consistent small steps over time and playing the long game. Discipline is your compass, guiding you through distractions and temptations. It's the sum of small actions repeated over time. Avoid getting distracted by shiny objects and stay committed to your goals. 9. Time management. Time management is another critical skill. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, but it's how we use that time that determines our success. Success lies in how efficiently you use that time. Don't waste it. Make conscious choices about where you invest your precious hours. Are you pursuing your goals or wasting it on trivial activities? Use your downtime to educate yourself, listen to podcasts or audiobooks, and make the most of every moment. 10. Reading, understanding, and memorizing. Books are treasure troves of knowledge. Reading is a superpower that can transform your life. But remember, it's not just about reading for entertainment. Read for self-development. Dive into books that offer solutions to real-life problems. They allow you to learn from someone's entire life experience in just a few days. Find books that provide solutions to life's challenges and implement that knowledge. 11. Breaking down processes. Success is achieved by breaking big goals into smaller, manageable steps. If you're not deconstructing your objectives into milestones, you're simply daydreaming. Think like a scientist and break it down. Take a page from STEM fields where deconstructing and solving problems step by step is common practice. This type of thinking gives you a clear edge over others. 12. Self-analysis. You can't improve what you don't measure. Self-analysis is crucial for improvement. Successful people track their progress, whether it's in their fitness journey, career, or personal development. Document your actions and feelings. It's the path to self-improvement. You can only improve what you can measure. From tracking your food intake and weight to analyzing your actions and emotions, self-analysis provides a clear picture of what's working and what needs improvement. 13. Emotional intelligence and empathy. In this interconnected world, emotional intelligence is your ticket to smoother interactions and success. Emotional intelligence and empathy are skills that allow you to navigate social situations with ease. Understanding others, talking to them, and motivating them are all part of emotional intelligence. It's about recognizing that people have different values and triggers and adapting your approach accordingly. People with high emotional intelligence outperform those with high IQ because they connect with others on a deeper level. 14. Self-respect and having a backbone. Stand up for your values and beliefs. Treat yourself with respect and others will follow suit. It's those who have the courage to speak out against injustice that shape a better world. Knowing your values and standing up for yourself sets the tone for how others treat you. People who have a high degree of self-respect are often the ones who influence and change the world. So be true to yourself and don't compromise your integrity for temporary gains. 15. Idea generation. Last but not least, the ability to generate ideas that have value is a skill worth developing. Your mind is like fertile land, and what you plant in it determines what grows. Take care of your mind, nurture it, and it will produce quality ideas that can bring joy, success, and fulfillment to your life. Remember, ideas are free, and a single idea can change everything. And as a bonus, here's a 16th skill that may sound out of this world. 16. The ability to simulate outcomes. Imagine having the power to peek into the future and choose your path. Simulate various scenarios before making decisions. It's like having a superpower in the game of life, and it can help you avoid regrets. While these influential figures may not explicitly refer to it as simulating outcomes, in the same way it's described here, the underlying principle of foreseeing potential scenarios and making informed decisions based on these simulations is a common thread in their approaches. Here are a few such figures. Steve Jobs, the late co-founder of Apple, was known for his visionary thinking and ability to anticipate future trends in technology and design. Jobs often envisioned how products would be used and experienced by customers well before they were built. Elon Musk. As the CEO of SpaceX and Tesla, Musk often discusses the importance of forward thinking and scenario planning. His ambitious projects like colonizing Mars or developing sustainable energy solutions are based on complex simulations and planning potential future outcomes. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, Buffett is known for his analytical approach and his ability to foresee economic trends and business outcomes. He often emphasizes the importance of careful analysis and thinking through potential scenarios before making investment decisions. Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft and a prominent philanthropist, Gates is well known for his strategic foresight. His work, both in technology and in global health, involves extensive planning and modeling of future scenarios to guide decision-making. So there you have it, 15 plus 1 skills that can transform your life. Which one are you currently mastering? Let us know in the comments. We love hearing from our community. And hey, remember to like and subscribe so you never miss out on more valuable content. Thanks for being a part of our journey. We'll see you in the next video.